Hussain. It's one bounce four.
That's gone up in the air. It's a sky. This has to be taken, needs to be taken. Wicket has gone down. Full shot. Another one bites the dust. Another one is gone. Rahat Ali with a wonderful, successful PSL 3. 5.5 overs. And gone. That's good fielding.
He's hit this from a low base and he's hit it so well. It's six. A little bit more control. Oh, now then, picked up. What a nice noise that made. Six. Look a chance you've got. Now then, how's this for Cameron Delport? Chaka, that's a big one too. That's a big. Lofted, not well enough, I don't think. Lofted and a man underneath it. Oh, he pays the price for a risk shot. Brathwaite will celebrate. But it's the batsman who's caused his own downfall here. Hussain Talat was playing a glorious innings. This has been nicely played.
Wickets for 13. That's hit hard. Flat skipper and almost a sensational catch. It doesn't work, but I tell you what this does. This is up and away. Oh, that's gone up in the air. It's high and mighty and six. Yeah. Closes it out with a massive six. So United are over the line.